Hi, Ma'am DJ. It's Phoebe po, your supervisee way back 2012. So, it's been 10 years na po pala, ma'am, since I joined MSS of NKTI and had the chance to be supervised by the one and only Ma'am Chona De Jesus. So, let me take this opportunity po, ma'am, to thank you for all the teachings and learnings po. No one has disciplined me like you did. Your strict mentoring, ma'am, has molded me into the kind of social worker that I am. And now that I'm connected with our local LGU Social Welfare Office of the Legazpi City, ma'am, I can proudly say that I was handled by you. Yung lahat, ma'am, ng turo mo, from recordings to grammar, to handling cases, ma'am. Lahat po yun, ma'am, nagagawa ko ngayon. So, I am truly blessed na ikaw po yung kauna-unahan kong social worker supervisor. So, now that you are about to retire, ma'am, congratulations po and wishing you lots of love and good times as you enjoy your well-deserved retirement, ma'am. Happy birthday po, Ma'am Chona, and congratulations po again.
Hi, Ma'am DJ! Happy birthday po at saka happy retirement bilang isang social worker. How many years na hindi po tayo nagkita, pero I'm very happy na naging parte po kayo ng aking buhay bilang isang social worker. Laki yung contribution po ninyo sa akin bilang isang social worker. Though, at first, totoo naman yun, at first nandun yung takot, di ba? Takot kasi nga, noon po kayo sa pagiging istrikta, gusto niyo na talagang giving your best and mahirap at first, lalo na pag starting ka pa lang na, that time starting pa lang ako na pagiging social worker. Pero masaya po ako dahil with those higpit na binigay niyo ay marami po akong natutunan and kung ano man ako ngayon bilang isang social worker, lalo na pagdating sa documentations, case management, kayo po ang isa sa mga taong malaki po ang contribution sa akin, worker. Masaya ako dahil naging parte po kayo ng aking buhay and bilang isang supervisor, nakita ko po sa inyo na andun yung malasakit mo na mag-excel kami kung saan kami nilagay and salamat din dahil isa po kayo sa mga supervisor na kahit alam mong may mali, alam mong may kailangan ng tulong and you are not hesitant to extend the help. At saka hindi hindi ko po talaga kayo makakalimutan even sa pagtuturo ko ngayon sa mga estudyante. I'm very proud na talagang isa po kayo sa mga sinishare ko na mga supervisor kasi nga malaki po talaga yung tulong ninyo sa akin bilang isang social worker. And ngayon dumating yung time na magre-retire na po kayo, and I know marami pong dumang mga social workers sa mga pagte-train po ninyo, and I just want to assure you na naging positive, naging successful po kayo sa akin as a social worker. And salamat po sa mga advices, mga paggalit, salamat sa mapupulang intake interview na natuto po ako. Salamat sa mga pagko-correct na mga pag-uusap na ginawa po natin just to help me sa aking career. And enjoy po yung birthday po ninyo, and maging masaya po kayo kasama yung pamilya sa mga susunod pa pong mga taon na darating po sa inyong buhay. And gusto ko lang din po malaman ninyo na every time na pumupunta po ako dyan sa NKTI, actually hinahanap po kayo. Di ko nga lang po talaga mapuntahan kayo sa office po ninyo, pero I'm very namimiss ko po kayo, at actually kung loloobin sana maka-visit ulit, pero God willing po. And enjoy your day, Ma'am DJ. I miss you and good luck. God bless po sa inyo. Bye-bye.
Hello po, Miss Chona. Si Sarah po ito, ang inyong Pocahontas ng 2012 NKTI Christmas Party. Kung naalala niyo po. Kahit maikling panahon ko lang po kayo nakasama sa MSS, marami po ako natutunan sa inyo bilang aking supervisor. And thankful po ako na mabigyan po ng chance na mabati po kayo ng happy birthday and congratulations on your retirement. Ang wish ko po sa inyo is good health for you to enjoy more the next chapter in your life, kasama po ang inyong family, loved ones, and friends. God bless you, Ma'am. I miss you, MSS family.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Chona. I can't believe you're retiring na. Maraming salamat po for all your hard work and dedication. Congratulations and enjoy your retirement.
Hi, Mother. Happy retirement. I just wanted you to know how grateful I am for everything you have done to me, for being my second non biological mother, of course, giving me a hand on my personal matters and to my career goals. I just wanted you to know all my happiness and wishes for you, my dear Mother Chona. This is the day we are all waiting for, and this day will be special for you. Here are the 5 ways to have a fantastic retirement. That stands for Chona. C for congratulations. Now, on your retirement day, may you enjoy every moment. Keep calm and have comfort. H is always happiness. Happiness is what we always wanted you to have. So say goodbye to pension. Say goodbye to tension. And hello, pension. Joking aside. And O, I hope you will have this off. An off limitless. It is time for you to have a big break, mother. Have yourself time to sit back and relax. And congratulations for being a newly hired Lola. Now your only job is having quality time with your family and fun with your grandchildren. And I know you're a real pro on that. And A stands for amazing woman. An amazing person like you will always be in our heart and we will be forever thankful. I will be on my personal thing, will be forever thankful for you, mother. I love you. Love you, love you. Mwah. Thank you.
Hi, Tita Sia. Greetings from Singapore and from your most adventurous pamangkin. So, if you want to travel the world, if you want to do bungee jumping, or even skydiving, or anything crazy, sabihan mo lang ako, sasamahan kita talaga. So, happy birthday and happy retirement. Thanks for always being there for us and for always taking care of us. I'll see you soon. I'll see you December. Bye-bye.
Hello, Mami. Happy birthday. 65 ka na. Nakakapahinga ka na sa iyong pagtatrabaho. Bawasan na natin yung pension mo. Hindi, joke lang. Ingat ka palagi. Love you.
Happy 65th birthday, Tita Suya.
Tita Suya.
Hello.
Hello. I'm Chen. Pamangkin, isa sa panganay na pamangkin ni Tita Chona. Happy 65th birthday and happy retirement sa aming pinakamabait na tita. Payag ba? Pinakamabait siya actually kasi she's very caring, dedicated siya, napakasipag, very selfless, lalo na sa family niya. Kaya, I don't know, yung 65 years siguro, syempre, half of her life, nandyan na siya sa institution nyo. So, I'm sure mamimiss niya kayo, tsaka mamimiss niya yung work niya dyan. Pero, syempre, sa sobrang tagal, deserve mo rin naman mag-rest. Spend more time with your family, tsaka marami ka na ring time para magpahinga at saka matulog. So, pagbalik mo dito, mag-spend tayo ng birthday natin. Kasi magkasunod tayo. 15 ako, 16 ka. Mag-spa. Birthday treat namin sa'yo. Mag-spa tayo. Whole day, mag-spa tayo. So, yun. Enjoy your day. Thank you. And we love you. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Tita Suya. Ako po si Vince, asawa ni Chen. And nakilala ko si Tita Chona and Tita Suya, tawag nga ni na Chen, kasi siya ay isa sa mga barkada ng aking mommy nung high school. So, nagkatuluyan kami ni Chen. So, lalo ko nakilala si Tita Chona. Kasi nga, very close yung family ng mga Soleta. Maraming times na ako'y kasama always sa mga reunions and gatherings, Christmases and birthdays. So, this time, birthday mo naman, Tita Chon, ang ating isa-celebrate. And this is not an ordinary birthday celebration or event for you because retirement celebration yun na rin po. Kasi after so long and your self-dedication sa work, ito na yung time na ipapasok nyo na yung inyong trabaho or throne sa colleague ninyo. So I'm very happy for you kasi nakikita ko yung dedication nyo. In fact, may kwento nga ako kay Chen na during nung college pa kami, mag-boyfriend na kami, tapos nung nag-work ako sa Manila, kasi ngayon nasa probinsya na po ako nag-work sa bank, dahil sa Manila, kasabay ko pa siya sa first trip ng bus from Lucena to Manila. So, up to now, ginagawa ni Tita Chon na yan. Sabi ko kay Chen, I admire her for being so dedicated to her work, to public service, kasi nasa kidney center po siya, and of course, the commitment to the family, so she can serve also her family and provide. So, for that, I will always look up to you, Tita Chona, as a very dedicated, hardworking public servant. Also, sa mga natulungan niya sa pamilya, because as we know, she's in the health service industry. Marami po siya natulungan ng mga events sa side ko na very helpful si Tita Chona, very selfless. So, thank you again, and kami ni Chen, we're very happy for you. Looking forward po, mag-celebrate tayo dito sa inyong birthday and retirement.
Yan. Dahil dyan, syempre, mag-cheers kami.
Meron kaming konting celebration kasi nung malaman namin may
kami.
video for you, mag-celebrate kami. Konting alcohol lang para masaya, and with this, mag-cheers kami for you. Ano ba ang ating wish for Tita Chona? Good health?
Yeah. Good health, long life, another 65 more years.
And also more gatherings with the family.
Yeah.
And syempre happiness sa pamilya nyo, sa growing family.
Enjoy. Yeah.
Cheers.
Thank you. We love you.
We love you. Happy birthday and happy retirement.
Bye-bye.
See you soon.
Happy birthday, Mommy Chona. We love you very much. We wish you a good life and a long life.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to